Oke,
Oke,
silakan Putri bisa kita mulai.
baik Pak. Hello, good night, Mister.
Oke, good night Putri. How are you?
I'm fine. I Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Riani, and I'm from account, but I would like to ask for you help to complete my English statement. I have a few questions that I'd like to ask about university.
Oke,
What skills are the most important for students to develop during college?
oke Putri. Maybe the most important skills students need to develop during the college are critical thinking, effective communication, teamwork, time management, and problem solving abilities. Mastering these skills will help you or a student or the students face academic challenge, build a professional networks, and prepare for the work.
Okay. What should be the main priority for students during college years?
Okay, maybe the student's top priority during college is to balance academic success and personal development with staying healthy. Students need to focus on college to achieve a good GPA, develop skills such as a critical and independent thinking, maybe, and build a valuable network of friends. It's also important not to neglect physical and mental health by getting enough rest, eating healthy, and maintaining a balance between college and personal activities.
Okay. How does the university prepare students to be ready to compete in the world of work?
Okay, to improve learning, students should plan their time, create a dedicated study space free of distractions, and practice activity learning techniques like summarizing or teaching the material to the others, maybe taking regular breaks, getting enough sleep, and seeking help when needs are also crucial for effective studying.
Do you have any tips for keeping the motivation to study?
Maybe you can prepare to compete in the world of work in several ways. Maybe yeah, establishing a partnership with your studies, and efforts includes training in technical skills, maybe hard skills, and interpersonal skills or soft skill, as well as providing relevant practical experience.
Okay. What message would you like to give us as the young generation for the future?
Okay, the of holistic self development, flexibility in facing change, and maybe relevant skills.
Thank you very much for your time and explanation, Mister. I hope you always have a wonderful and healthy day. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, you are welcome, Putri.
Okay.
Ibu, sepertinya kita mulai saja ya, Bu.
Iya, boleh, silakan.
Baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to Miss Husnul for kindly helping us with our English course assessment.
In this Zoom meeting, there are 4 students. Means each student will ask at least 2 questions about college. Let's start with the first question from me, followed by my friend Yulia, Laura, and Putri.
Next to my friend Putri.
Okay, Mister. What are the most common challenges you face when teaching today generation of students?
Mau ya? Yang sekarang ya?
Yes.
Challenge-nya yang pertama, first, low learning motivation. Many students lack intrinsic motivation to study deeply. They tend to focus more on final grades or graduation quickly rather than thoroughly understanding the concept. Two, distraction from technology and social media.
Yes.
Jadi pada saat study, students are often distracted by their phone. Three, lack for active participant. Kemudian yang fourth, poor time management and discipline. And last, different in academic background and basic competence, because students in the same class often have very low level of academic ability, and lecturer must adapt their teaching strategies to ensure that the material is understandable for all levels.
Okay. Next, who interested you the most during your challenge life college?
Yang paling menginspirasi ya?
Iya, Ibu. Iya, Ibu.
The person who inspired me the most during my college years was my academic advisor. Ya, jadi dulu ibu punya pembimbing yang menginspirasi sampai dengan saat ini.
Oke.
Ya, she artinya berarti perempuan ya.
Perempuan ya.
She not only share knowledge, but also taught me values of discipline, hard work, and honestly, her passion and
Miss Yulia, mungkin masih di pekerjaan ya, Miss. Mungkin itu saja yang sampai pertanyaan sampai sini saja, Miss. Jadi kita tutup aja ya, Miss.
Boleh closing statement.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your thoughtful question, and thank you for involving me as part of your English interview assignment.
Yes.
I truly appreciate this opportunity. The current learning process is indeed more focused on practical application, allowing students to be more active and able to master the learning material more effectively. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss, for kindly taking the time to assist us. We can treat apology if there were any word and statements that may have been inappropriate or offensive.
Okay.
Once again, we would like to express sincere gratitude to you, Mr. May you always keep this with good health and success in everything you do.
Amin.
We close this Zoom meeting by saying Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
Thank you, Miss.
Terima kasih banyak Ibu. Terima kasih banyak Ibu. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ibu terima kasih
Ibu,
banyak
terima
ya.
kasih.
Iya, sama-sama ya. Terima kasih Bu.
I'm sorry for visiting you, but I would like to ask for your help to complete my English assignment. I also feel question that I like to ask about this. Okay. If you might also recall that students have the best use for hate crime in police. Okay, in my opinion, the best use of hate crime in police. Sorry, bagaimana memanfaatkan teknologi sebagai oh, the higher. Okay, I see. Sorry about that. Because of the language maybe the meaning of it. Okay, about the university for the time, the flexible time, you can use the regular A, for example, that early in the morning. That usually people student in that is don't work. Okay, and then also we have a regular B that is in the night. We study from the 18-20 for the education, and then also we have a class for the employee, for the mas karyawan, for the SECA and this Saturday. That is for people who are already working at the company and still can be joined to our campus. That is our system in here. Can campus arrange yes, of course. For example, that if you are joined as a imam, himpunan, I forgot about the name. About the meaning of the hima. And then when you are joined to the hima, it is very education and very motivation because of the students join the hima. We also build the organization, and we also having a relationship with another, and then we also having a good time. To the hima, please wait. Do you have any tips for keeping the motivation to study? Oh, study like not student ya, to study ya, motivation. Okay, first, the motivation for studying in here that you have to be in blended. I mean luring and daring. So, for example, that you are being daring or the luring, you have the motivation. I mean
in your goals? What is the biggest achievement in your life? That is the motivation that it can give it to you. For example, my biggest motivation that I want to be a lecturer in Tirana can provide my knowledge to all of you. That is my biggest, and then in the future, that hopefully that in my knowledge that you are be able to having experience for that. It's something like that. And a good motivation.
What music was you like to give was an inspiration for
For the culture.
Yeah.
Oh, for the culture. I see. This one. You are studying here like this semester one. In the future, that you want to be work at it. Yeah. For example, you are expert in tax accounting, and then after that, you are want to be develop of yourself. That is the biggest motivation for all of us.
again, thank you for sharing I wish you success and good health.
Okay, same to you. Okay, bye-bye. Nice to meet you. Okay, see everyone. Thank you for our interview today, and hopefully that she is still running with the motivation, and then also for everyone, goodbye.